Sand, sun, and struggles? We all love a good beach day, right? The sun, the sand, the waves, it's pure bliss. But let's be honest, sometimes the fun comes with a few little after-beach hiccups. You know what I'm talking about? First, there's the sand situation. It gets everywhere. In your hair, your ears, your shoes, and don't even get me started on what it does to your car. And try as you might, it feels like you're finding sand for days after your beach trip. Then there's the sun-kissed skin. We love a good tan, but sometimes our skin has other plans. Dryness, irritation, it's not always pretty. And don't even get me started on those pesky bug bites. They always seem to pop up at the worst times. But hey, we don't want these little things to ruin our beach vibes, do we? Of course not. That's why I'm so excited to tell you about something that's going to make your beach days even better. Let me introduce you to the Beach Eazy Kit, your new best friend for all things beach related. This kit is jam-packed with goodies to tackle those post-beach struggles head-on, leaving you feeling refreshed and ready for anything. Inside this little box of sunshine, you'll find 3 amazing products: Beach Bean, Beach Breezy, and Beach Bug Bite Be Gone. Each one is specially designed to address those common after-beach woes and make your life a whole lot easier. First up, we have Beach Bean. This little guy is a sand-removing wonder. It's a soft, squishy beanbag, filled with a special powder that magically lifts sand away from your skin. No more rubbing and scrubbing, just pat and go. Next we have Beach Breezy, a refreshing and hydrating mist that's like a cool drink of water for your skin. Infused with soothing and moisturizing ingredients, Beach Breezy will leave your skin feeling soft, supple, and oh so ready for whatever the day throws your way. And last but not least, we have Beach Bug Bite Be Gone. This little tube is your secret weapon against those itchy, annoying bug bites. With its gentle yet effective formula, it soothes irritation and calms redness so you can say goodbye to those pesky bites for good. Now you might be thinking, Ellen, this all sounds great, but is it going to be a hassle to use? And the answer is a big resounding no. The Beach Eazy Kit is all about convenience. The products are perfectly sized for your beach bag so you can easily take them with you wherever you go. Plus, they're super easy to use. Even kids can handle them. We all know how much kids love the beach, but they also tend to attract sand like magnets. Beach Bean is about to become your new secret weapon. And speaking of things we love, the Beach Eazy Kit is also designed with the planet in mind. The packaging is made from recycled materials, and the formulas are biodegradable so you can feel good about using them. We gotta take care of our planet, people, but it's not just about being eco-friendly. The Beach Eazy Kit is also gentle on your skin. The formulas are free of harsh chemicals, parabens, and sulfates, so you can use them with confidence knowing that you're taking care of your skin and the environment at the same time. It's a win-win. Section 4. Beach Easy. As easy as 1, 2, 3. Alright, let's talk about how to use this magical kit, shall we? It's so easy you won't even believe it. Step 1. After a fun day of soaking up the sun and splashing in the waves, grab your trusty Beach Bean. Give it a little squeeze and then gently pat it on any areas covered in sand. Watch in amazement as the sand magically disappears. Step 2. Next up, it's time to give your skin some love with Beach Breezy. Close your eyes, mist your face and body, and take a deep breath. Ah, refreshing, your skin will thank you. Step 3. Finally, if those pesky bugs have left their mark, reach for Beach Bug Bite Be Gone. Apply a small amount to each bite and feel the soothing relief as it calms and soothes your skin. It's like magic in a tube. See? I told you it was easy. The Beach Eazy Kit takes all the stress out of post-beach care so you can focus on what really matters, enjoying your time with loved ones and making memories that will last a lifetime. Section 5. Your beach buddy, no matter who you are. Now, whether you're a family with sandy kids, a group of friends planning a beach getaway, or a solo traveler looking for some relaxation, the Beach Eazy Kit is here for you. Imagine this. You're a parent, and you've just spent the afternoon chasing your little ones through the sand. They're exhausted, you're exhausted, and everyone's covered in sand. But instead of dreading the car ride home, you whip out your Beach Eazy Kit and effortlessly remove the sand, leaving everyone feeling clean and happy. No more sandy car seats, no more grumpy kids, just smiles all around. Or maybe you're a traveler who loves exploring new beaches and soaking up the sun. The Beach Eazy Kit is the perfect travel companion, compact enough to fit in your backpack and versatile enough to handle all your post-beach needs. From refreshing your skin after a long flight to soothing those unexpected bug bites, the Beach Eazy Kit has got you covered. No matter who you are or how you choose to enjoy the Beach Eazy Kit is the perfect companion for a stress-free and enjoyable experience. It's like having a little piece of paradise in your beach bag, always there to make your day a little brighter and a lot more comfortable. Section 6, ready for a beach easy life? So what are you waiting for? Ditch the post-beach struggles and embrace the beach easy life. Trust me, your skin, your car, and your sanity will thank you. To learn more about the Beach Eazy Kit and all its amazing benefits, head over to our website or check us out on Instagram. We've got tons of fun tips, tricks, and exclusive offers waiting for you. Get ready to say goodbye to those post-beach blues and hello to a world of easy, breezy, beautiful beach days.